Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to switch Chrome to dark mode. So I just wanted to show you a little comparison. So I'm going to open up my Chrome. This is what Chrome looks like regularly, but it's a little hard on the eyes. Now I want to show you that I was searching online and a lot of people were saying, oh well, just change your computer to dark mode. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now, as you see, yes, Chrome does kind of go into a dark mode per se, but you can see it's just here. What if you want your websites to automatically go on dark mode? Because not every website currently has a dark mode enabled. So what we're going to do, because the website is still pretty bright, is we're going to go to Google. So you can search here or go to google.ca. And we're going to be going to something called Dark Reader Chrome extension. Okay, this is one of my favorite ones. There's many extensions out there, but I like this Dark Reader. It works pretty well. So we're going to click on that, get to the Chrome Web Store, and it's called Dark Reader from darkreader.org. And we're going to add that to Chrome. And when you get this pop-up, make sure to hit Add Extension. Now this might take a few seconds. Bam! Look at that. So now your websites are in a dark mode no matter what it is. So let's go. I haven't actually checked what Wikipedia looks like in this dark mode, so let's take a look. So there you go. So much nicer. It's not blinding you in the face, and that's a great way to do it. So I recommend putting dark mode on for Windows and dark mode for Chrome. If you have a question, anything related to computers, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care of yourselves.